Hello everyone, it's Natasha. I have already updated my profile and now I will show you how I did it. So I went under my name here and then I chose preferences and edit profile. So as you can see, my first name was here already, it's Natasha. So was my surname, Božić Grojić. This is my email address. Now I have changed the email display here. It said allow everyone to see my email address, but I chose this one, this option, allow only other course members to see my email address. Then I set my city, which is Belgrade, my country, from this drop-down menu, it's Serbia, and again from the drop-down menu, my time zone, which is Europe, Belgrade. Then I copy-pasted this description I had somewhere else, where it says a bit about me. And by the way, since we were already talking about my description, when we did the 2 truths and 1 lie game, I forgot to reveal the lie. I know it doesn't matter anymore, we've moved to other things, but here it is. I've been a teacher for 28 years and not 15, as I stated there. So, okay, I didn't touch my picture. I'm rather fond of my gravatar. It was done some 3 years ago. It was done by a professional photographer, this photo, and I really like it, so I didn't want to change it. Right, so here I went under additional names and tried to write the phonetic pronunciation of my name, which is not Natasia, as some people assume when they see how my name is spelled, but Natasha. It's an international name, so it's easily pronounced. And I don't have any special nicknames. And then I went a little crazy here under interests, so I added everything that interests me, and that's swimming, bar 3, it's a kind of aerobics / pilates / yoga mix that I do on a daily basis, cooking and healthy eating, which both of which have become my big passions late, reading of course. I enjoy writing, especially poetry writing, and blogging, yes and no. I have a blog. I love blogging, but I'm finding it hard to find the time at the moment. So hopefully I will try and update my blog this weekend so that there will be something new for people to read, because I have already linked my blog to this website, to Moodle for Teachers. And what have we got here? Yeah, this is my blog. But if you go there at the moment, you will find a post from 2016. That's no good. So I am planning to work on that. And I've added my Skype ID, which has earned me a badge. So I'm very happy about that. This is my school. We call it Kolarac. I mean, it has this long name, but we call it simply Kolarac, and I work at the English language department. I didn't add my phone or my address, so I will probably go and edit Facebook and Google social ID, and Twitter social ID. I've just realized that can be done, and that is it. So I have updated my profile, and look at what I got as a reward. 2 lovely badges from Moodle for Teachers. One for profile completion and one for Skype. So that's all I have at the moment. And it's not difficult to update your profile. It is fun, and it's also fun creating these instructional videos. So see you soon, another time. Bye for now.